What is up, everybody? In today's video, we are going to install Linux Mint in Virtualbox, a program that allows us to run another operating system inside Windows. With Virtualbox, we can install Linux Mint and run it inside our Windows installation without actually modifying the partition scheme of our computer. So let's get started. Open a web browser and navigate to linuxmint.com. Click the download button from the home screen and then click download under Cinnamon Edition. Then choose a download mirror. You can select a mirror for your country, or you can use the Layer Online Worldwide mirror. Next, go to virtualbox.org and click the big giant download button. Then proceed to download the Virtualbox package for Windows. Once both of those files have finished downloading, you can close out your browser window and open the file manager. Navigate to the Downloads folder and double-click the Virtualbox exe file. Just spam the next button and then click Install at the end. Then finish and launch Virtualbox. Select New and type Linux Mint as the name. Virtualbox will automatically set the OS to Ubuntu, which is perfect because Linux Mint is based on Ubuntu. So then click Next. On the memory size screen, just drag the little marker to just before the edge of the green area and then click Next. Then just click Create and then click Next again. Make sure to select Dynamically Allocated. A dynamically allocated virtual hard disk will only take up as much space as the system needs, so it won't take any more space than what Linux Mint will be using. Click Next and we can set the maximum size of the hard disk. This will prevent our dynamically allocated hard disk from growing bigger than this set maximum. You can choose what you want to be the max depending on how much free space you have. To check for available space, just open the file manager and click This PC. Your computer will tell you how much space you have remaining. For example, I have 128 gigabytes of free space. Now I don't want to use all of that as I still need some left over for Windows. So I'll set the max to 15 gigabytes. Now I wouldn't recommend going any lower than 15 gigabytes because we need to make sure we have enough space for Linux Mint to be happy. Once you're done, click Create. Then click Settings and go to the Advanced tab in the General Settings and set both Shared Clipboard and Drag and Drop to the bidirectional setting. Then go to the System category and switch to the Processor tab. Drag the little processor marker to the end of the green space. Then click OK. Now it is finally time to start the machine. Click Start, and it will ask you to provide a startup disk. And this is where we choose the Linux Mint ISO file we previously downloaded. Once you are loaded into the desktop, click Install Linux Mint. Once you reach this screen, tick the checkbox to Install Multimedia Codecs, as you will want to be able to play videos and visit websites. On the Installation Type screen, just select Erase Disk and Install Linux Mint, and click Install Now, and then click Continue. Then you will select your location and set up a user. I would recommend selecting login automatically, as you will probably be using this just for testing and it will just be a pain to have to enter your password in every time. Wait for the installation process to complete and press reboot now. When prompted, just click enter. Don't worry about the USB drive, as that does not apply to a virtual machine. After you have rebooted, you may want to enlarge your screen because it is pretty small. To do this, click the start menu and click display. Then set your desired resolution. And that's it. Have fun with your new Linux Mint virtual machine. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.